Hi, in this video we will learn how to play the song Ever Faithful from the Global Experiment. This song has only one main strumming pattern, which is down, down, up, up, down, down with a chord. When the song starts, we will start with a single strum first. Then we will transition to a quarter note. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 8 notes, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then finally the main strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, down. So if you're ready, practice the strumming pattern with the tempo of the song, and let's play along with the track.